why your team can't function without you, and how to fix it. Do you ever feel like your team can't function unless you're in the room? Every question, every problem, every decision somehow finds its way back to you, even when you've hired people to handle it. You're not imagining it. You're running a business that's too dependent on you. And today I'm going to show you why that happens and how exactly to fix it. The helpful CEO trap. Most CEOs end up in this cycle because they start out being helpful. You want to support your team, be available, answer questions, jump in when things go wrong. But that helpfulness slowly turns into babysitting. You become the default decision maker for everything. The team stops thinking for themselves, and suddenly you can't focus for more than 10 minutes without somebody knocking at your door. This is exactly what happened to a client of mine. Her office staff meant well, but they came to her for everything, even junk mail, literally. So, what are the signs that team relies on you too much? This is really means when your team can't work without you. When your team can't move without your approval, it's not because they're lazy, it's because the structure allows it. Here's the signals. Boundaries are unclear, decision making authority isn't defined, there's no accountability for follow through, and worst of all, your team doesn't trust their own judgment. That's not just frustrating for you, it's exhausting for everyone. So here is the 3 step to fix this so that we don't have boundaries blurred, the roles are unclear, accountability missing, and visibility is low. We want to avoid all of this. So here's the 3 steps. Step 1, set communication rules. Your team doesn't need unlimited access to you, they need predictable access. Create a communication window. For example, if it's not urgent, message me between 12 to 1 or include it in your end of day report. That one step alone will save you hours every week. Step 2, clarify responsibilities. Write down what they own. If someone handles client calls, they own the outcome, not just the task. When they are unsure, they use an SOP or a checklist before escalating to you. Step 3, create visibility systems. This is how you stay informed without hovering. Use simple systems like Notion, Asana, Google Sheets to track tasks and updates. You don't need to chase people, you just need visibility. Remember, inspect, don't interfere. And then we move on to the CEO mindset shift. Being a stronger leader doesn't mean being available 24/7. It means building people who can think and act without you. You can't scale chaos. You can only scale structure. So if you feel like the business falls apart when you're not around, it's not a team problem, it's a boundary problem. Here's the next steps. If you're ready to stop babysitting your team and start leading them, grab my free SOP builder. It will help you create the systems your team needs to work independently so you can finally step out of the weeds and into the stuff that you love to do in your business. Click on the link and download the SOP builder right now.